Okay, let's see. That means, so in this table, that means indicate, so this table indicate the reduction in size from previous line. So previous line, that means first of all we unfiltered. So here, that means here we give some term and posting and statistic for the collection. In suppose I will that means show the table, this table, which table, now this one, uh, from, just wait, this table. Okay, so we give some term and posting statistic for the collection in this table, and indicate the reduction in size from the previous line, from the previous line. So previous line from the reduction of the previous line, and T percent is the cumulative. So here actually this one is a cumulative. So cumulative means just add. Suppose now you see this one in case of case folding, 19%. That means add with this one, previous one. So here we count the total. Suppose here 33, that means previous one total 17% and here 19%. So after that we'll calculate this one. Okay. So that means reduction from unfiltered. This is the unfiltered. So unfiltered file or unfiltered data. So so here within the dictionary, how many terms are there? Now 484,000 data are there, term. And non-positional index. So non-positional posting. Non-positional posting is 109,971K. Then positional index size is around 200,000. 200,000. Now after the linguistic preprocessing, we get, yes. So now we check the reduction of the percentage. That means after linguistic preprocessing, we'll get the number of terms within the dictionary 474. That means a reduction is 2%. So just to analyze one, that means I saw the table. So from that table we'll get this one. So reduction is 2%. So cumulative is also 2%. In case of non-positional index, number of terms, that means 100680, that means here 8% is reduction, and positional index is this one. So that means depend on this one, 474 term, that means individual terms, 474K, not 474 simply. K means 474,000 terms are there. So term means all are different. So within the dictionary, these are the individual terms, 474K. After that, we'll get this one, positional index. So non-positional index and positional. So obviously, if here we change this one, so here also change. That means within the positional index. So here reduction is 9%. But case folding means uppercase and lowercase. So that time also reduction is there. That means 17% reduction is there in term. So that means, just wait for 1 second. Pinky Prasad, you are from electrical department or CSC? पिंकी प्रसाद, अभी जो ज्वाइन किए, पिंकी प्रसाद, पिंकी प्रसाद तो ट्रिपल ए डबल ही लिखा हुआ है। व्हाई यू ज्वाइन नाउ? ओके, सो नाउ, so case folding means after लोअर केस और अपर केस, तो उसके बाद जो डिफरेंट टर्म्स, तो यहाँ पे 70% रिडक्शन आते हैं आफ्टर केस फोल्डिंग। तो दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि another thing, so obviously cumulative is 19%, but if you see in case of non-positional index, reduction is 3%, but positional index is 0%. Why, anyone can say? In positional posting, that means positional index, here reduction is 0% in case of case folding. When we apply case folding, after that reduction is only 0%. 0%. So case folding means here we apply simply lower case and upper case. So lower case upper case, तो अगर होने के बाद भी जो एक्चुअल जो पोजिशनल पोस्टिंग है वो उनका चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, फिक्स। दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे उनका जीरो हो रहा है, रिडक्शन। When you apply 30 stop word means most some word, that means when you apply 30 stop word and 150 stop words, then then dictionary, within the dictionary number of terms is reduction is very negligible, because now your data is 484 and after case folding 392K. So when you apply 30 stop word, so obviously 392K minus 30 is a very negligible. So that's why 0% decreasing, वो 0% डिक्रीजिंग। इवन 150 स्टॉप वॉच भी अगर हम वहां से निकाल देते हैं, तो आफ्टर दैट क्या होगा, क्योंकि 392,000 टर्म है, उससे हम अगर 30 स्टॉप वॉच हटा देते हैं तो क्या होगा, रिडक्शन ऑब्वियस, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे जीरो ही होगा, नेग्लिजिबल है। 391K से अगर हम 30 स्टॉप वॉच अगर डिलीट करते हैं तो वेरी, वो बहुत कम है वो, ठीक है। तो इसलिए यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है ना, 0% हो रहा है। तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे क्यूमुलेटिव क्या हो गया ना, 0%। लेकिन यहाँ पे एक चीज जो है, यहाँ पे आपका नॉन पोजिशनल इंडेक्सिंग इज 40% रिडक्शन एंड पोजिशनल इंडेक्सिंग इज ऑल्सो यहाँ पे 31%, क्योंकि वो टर्म जो है जहां जहां है, क्योंकि स्टॉप वर्ड जो है वो मे भी उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी मेनी टाइम्स वो यूज हुआ है, उसका पोजिशन। तो दैट्स वाई ये जो है इनका 31% रिडक्शन हो रहा है, क्योंकि वो एक स्टॉप वर्ड जो है वो आपका कितने बार यूज हुआ है विद इन द डॉक्यूमेंट, तो ऑब्वियसली उतना पोजीशन है उसके लिए, तो वो है उनका रिडक्शन। तो 30 मोस्ट कॉमन वर्ड, तो ऑब्वियसली जो कॉमन वर्ड है तो वेरी frequently यूज, दैट मीन्स एवरी डेटा, दैट मीन्स विद इन द डॉक्यूमेंट वी यूज दिस वन। जो ये क्या है, मोस्ट कॉमन, दिस वन इज द स्टॉप वर्ड आर द मोस्ट कॉमन यूज, दिस डेटा आर मोस्ट कॉमन यूज, वो मैक्सिमम टाइम वो यूज होता है। तो वो अगर स्टॉप वर्ड हम कर रहे हैं उसको अगर रिडक्शन कर रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली पोजिशनल इंडेक्स में 31% रिडक्शन है, बिकॉज वो क्या है ना, मोस्ट कॉमन वर्ड है, मोस्ट कॉमन वर्ड, तो वो हर एक डॉक्यूमेंट में है। तो इसके लिए क्या होगा ना, उसका रिडक्शन है 31%। नॉन पोजिशनेबल में 14% है। तो सिमिलरली व्हेन वी अप्लाई 150 स्टॉप वर्ड, तो यहाँ पे जीरो है, लेकिन इसमें जो है आपका चेंजेस है। नाउ अब बोल रहे हैं कि व्हेन वी अप्लाई स्टेमिंग, तो व्हेन वी अप्लाई स्टेमिंग तब क्या होगा, स्टेमिंग यूज करने के बाद 17% रिडक्शन इन द, कहाँ पे है ना, जो टर्म है उसमें 17% रिडक्शन, 17% रिडक्शन। तो इसलिए वो क्यूमुलेटिव करने के बाद कितना हो रहा है, 33 ऐड हो जा रहा है। बट आफ्टर स्टेमिंग बोल रहे हैं कि पोजिशनल इंडेक्स जो है वो 0% रिडक्शन हो रहा है, आफ्टर स्टेमिंग 0% रिडक्शन हो रहा है। सो स्टॉप वर्ड है, वो कितना काट कर रहे हैं स्टॉप वर्ड, सॉरी, दैट मीन इन स्टेमिंग जब व्हेन वी अप्लाई स्टेमिंग, anyone can say what is stemming? You heard this term stemming? स्टेमिंग जो है टर्म आप लोग सुने हैं, स्टेमिंग पहले मैंने बताया था कभी, स्टेमिंग। स्टेमिंग मतलब क्या है कि स्टेमिंग जस्ट रिमूव और स्टेम द लास्ट फ्यू कैरेक्टर ऑफ वर्ड। यस, दैट मीन यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जो लास्ट में कुछ वर्ड होता है, दैट मीन द सम कैरेक्टर, फ्यू कैरेक्टर, जो एग्जांपल मैंने दिया था आप लोग को, जो सपोज एक्स्ट्रा जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं, जैसे आ, मान लीजिए डेंसली, तो स्टेमिंग में क्या होगा, डेंस, ठीक है, इस टाइप का वर्ड। तो किसी में है कि और भी एग्जांपल है बहुत सारा। तो यहाँ पे कुछ कैरेक्टर, दैट मीन्स स्टेमिंग जस्ट रिमूव्स और स्टेम्स द लास्ट फ्यू कैरेक्टर ऑफ अ वर्ड, often leading to incorrect meaning and spelling. So After stemming, actually number of terms are meaning change होता है, तो that means different terms are there, reduction is there, no issue. But why positional index is zero? Because change the meaning but position is same. ठीक है, so that's why positional posting is reduction is zero. So stemming means just few word or few character will reduce. So remove करने से यहाँ पे term different different हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so that's why 17% reduction is there, and non-positional index 4% reduction is there. But in case of positional index 0% reduction is there. Okay, so now this one is clear to everyone. So just you try to analyze this one once again in yourself, exactly what will happen. So first you know what actually we apply. First of all, unfiltered data is there. After that, we apply some linguistic pre-processing. So after that, will that means what is the reduction in case of number of terms, non-positional index, and positional index. When you apply case folding again I will repeat simply here. That means uppercase and lowercase. When you apply 30 stop word remove or eliminate from the dictionary, then obviously number of terms जो है कम होगा, लेकिन use amount of data is there 392k, that means 1000, and if we 1000 of data से अगर just we that means eliminate 30 words, that's why we have written 0%, that is very negligible. But in case of non-positional and positional index, यहाँ पे that means in case of reduction is there. Why? Because these 30 and 150 stop words are very popular words. That means common word. So common word, that means everywhere we use. That means in every document we use this word. So that's why in case of non-positional posting and positional posting is reduction. Reduction is there. Yes. So now this two lines is clear to everyone why here 0 and why this one is a 30% reduction in case of positional indexing and non-positional indexing 14%, but in case of dictionary, that means in terms, only 0. And similarly, when we apply stemming, so then 17% reduction is there in case of terms. Why? Because suppose last three character if you remove, so obviously meaning is different, so different terms is there. So that's why reduction is 17%. That is approximate, is not exactly, but this is the analysis or from this analysis, this document. This is the corpus, रिपल राउटर कॉर्पस RCV1. तो इस डेटा से अगर एनालिसिस करने के बाद ये मिला, तो इंडिविजुअली वी अप्लाई दिस वन, आफ्टर दैट वी गेट दिस वन. So that's why this one is a 0. I think clear to everyone. Hope so. If you have any doubt, so please ask. कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे इस जगह पे? If anyone have a doubt, no. Okay, very good. Then another one is lossless versus lossy compression. I think you heard this term in your database management system. Lossless and lossy compression. Lossless compression means all information is preserved. What we mostly do in IR, information retrieval. And lossy compression means discard some information. Discuss some, discard some information. So several of the pre-processing steps can be viewed as lossy compression. That means when we apply case folding, stopwatch, stemming, and number of elimination, so that time we see here lossy compression. That means discard some information. Okay. So next, that means next class we'll discuss this one. Uh, Next class will continue this from this one, vocabulary versus collection size. How big is the term vocabulary? So that means how many distinct words are there. So next class will discuss this from this vocabulary and collection of size. Then here one law is there. Which law is a very important law? Here we apply Heaps law. So Heaps law will explain next class. Heaps law. Then Zipf's law. Then Zip consequences. Zipf's law for router city. So this is the index compression. After that, we'll discuss one by one dictionary compression and posting list compression individually. First of all, we discuss this one. After that, we'll discuss dictionary compression and posting list compression individually. Okay. So till now, anyone have any doubt? So if you have no doubt, you don't have any doubt, then you may leave the meeting. So next class will continue. Thank you. Now you leave the